cooking actually does take up quite a bit of time. And if we can, I guess, reduce that in any way and simplify our lives, great. Why not give it a try? Right. This is why we have robot vacuums, and this is why I have Instacart. Just to simplify our life is always a good thing, so I can take back the time and focus on other things that are important to me as well, like my family and playing with my kids and all those kinds. And then I also liked that you can automatically like push new recipes to me, and all of a sudden I have a new dessert that I can try that night, right? I'm a technology geek. I would, that's why I think we have so many smart gadgets in our house. I just love trying new things and seeing how they work. I'm a product manager as well, and so I just have lots of ideas. And when I see kind of these gadgets, it gets my brain going in the right way, I guess.